it's Jen. Welcome to Confusion Maven. This is lesson 4 in the Crochet Basics series, and today's lesson is about the half double crochet. You guys, if I sound tired, it is because I am. I have had a really long week, and yesterday was Saturday, and I worked really long day, so it was pretty exhausting. So please bear with me. My voice is just how my voice is. And my cat is on the table again today. This is not the same cat as the last video. This time it's Scout, but if the table shakes, that's why. So please have patience with my cat. He loves yarn. Okay, so half double crochet, that is what we see here in this rectangle block. This is 4 or 5 rows of half double crochet, and it is not quite as tall as a double crochet. As you see, this right here is one double crochet stitch right there, that one, and that one little bar, and then as you can see here, it's much shorter. Okay, so we are going to learn how to do the half double crochet. All right, so we have our yarn on our hook, and if you want to learn more about how to create a slip knot or chain, single crochet, double crochet, check out the description box for the other lessons in this series. All right, so half double crochet, we are going to yarn over. We're going to enter into the stitch, grab yarn, pull it through until we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops at one time. There you go. Let's do it again. Yarn over, go into the stitch, pull the yarn through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through. There we go. I'm going to continue to show you here and see how this turns out. Half double crochet is really nice when you want taller than single crochet, but not as tall as double crochet, clearly. Sometimes half double crochet will be used in combination with the single crochet or the double crochet. You can use it when making flower petals. You can use it when making blankets and scarves. When you use it in combination with a double crochet or in combination with a single crochet, you can come up with some really nice items that look very plush. It's a cool effect. All right, so we're coming to the end of our row here. Just going to wrap this up, and that is the half double crochet, everyone. So keep your eye out for the next lesson in the Crochet Basics series when I talk to you about magic rings versus the chain, when to know when to use it, which one. So that's what we're going to talk about next. See you in the next one. Bye.